Hey, hello everyone. It seems like everyone wants to do the keto diet with me, so I can't go on a water fast for 30 days. So instead I'm going to be doing keto for 30 days, but making meals and preps so everyone can do keto with me. Well, I ate kind of normal on my anniversary and had some wine, champagne, and some real carbohydrates, and my resting heart rate went up for those days. My sleep pattern was pretty okay, but my blood sugar went up and my ketones are almost non-existent. I peed on a stick and there's no ketones in my urine. So let's go ahead and get myself back into ketosis by making a delicious meal. So I cut off the stems and then I cut it in two. Then I add some Brad's apple cider vinegar, just 2 capsules, some basil, garlic powder, chili powder, some thyme leaves, a dash of olive oil. Give it a shake to mix it all up. And now we're going to put it off to the side. The best part, bacon. A dash of liquid smoke. Cover and put it on low. Dice up an onion. Add the onion to the bacon. Turn up the heat to medium and set it up for another 10 minutes. Now it's time to quarter up some chicken quarters. Add in your Brussels sprouts. And add in your bacon and onions. Top it with some Parmesan cheese. Top it with aluminum foil. In the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. At the end of 45 minutes, take off the foil and bake again for another 30 minutes. Time to make some dipping sauce with melted butter, Worcestershire, and some oil. Doesn't that look good? Doggy sitting, another dog, and let me tell you, I don't want to ever have 2 dogs. 1 dog is plenty. So how about a quick dessert with some heavy whipping cream, some sugar-free jelly, and some erythritol. Blend it all up and you have amazing, yummy cream. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. What kind of keto meals do you make? Leave me some comments down below and we will see you tomorrow.